Okay, so Big Game Leroy here to say that you need to subscribe to the YouTube channel Matt Palani Era. Subscribe right now. Great content, great person, great vibes always. Let's play.
Dun 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 dun. What is up, guys? The Matt Palani Era here, and happy Tuesday. That is right. And today we are going to be unboxing this Jerry the King Lawler WWE Survivor Series. That is right, so here we go. Here's the back of it right here real quick before we unbox it. Pretty cool, pretty neat. Really like it a lot. The build figure, the torso's out. One interchangeable hand is out. The other interchangeable hand is out. One elbow pad is out. The other elbow pad is out. Now it's time to take out Jerry the King Lawler, guys. Jerry the King Lawler is finally out now, guys. So there we go. So guys, hope you all enjoy my unboxing of Jerry the King Lawler Survivor Series Elite. I hope you all enjoyed it. So guys, once again, please like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe. Peace out, guys. See ya. Happy Tuesday. Enjoy your Tuesday too, guys.